An outer join in Power Query is often described as being similar to a VLOOKUP, and a lot of times it is. But this video is going to discuss one situation where an outer join would be better than a VLOOKUP. We've got two data sets. On the left side, we see our car park assignments, and then on the right side, we've got owner unit, bedroom, and their storage unit assignments. You and I are concerned about the car parks, and we want to bring the units over next to the car parks. That means we want to see next to Angelo's name, the B4. Now let's see what VLOOKUP would do. Let's go here. Unit equals VLOOKUP, look up Angelo, comma. Where do we want to look for Angelo? We're going to look in this range, comma. Want to bring back the second column, comma, and we want an exact match, false. Close parentheses, enter. Now notice what VLOOKUP did with Gail. We see Gail owns two units, B2 and C2, but VLOOKUP only retrieved B2 in our car park data set. That's not good enough. Let's do this in Power Query. Here we go with our cursor in the data set, data from table/range. This is our parking query, close and load. Only create connection, okay. Now our next query, cursor in the data set from table/range. This is our details query. Close and load this as a connection only. Okay. Now our merge. Get data, combine queries, merge. We want the parking and then the details, and we're going to match owner and owner. We're going to do a left outer join. Click OK. Our left side is expanded with our car park assignments. Now let's expand the right side. We don't want to use this. OK. The names are all matched up. Let's get rid of the owner one column, remove. We don't care about bedrooms or storage. Let's highlight that. Hold down the control key, highlight, right click, remove columns. And notice Gail is in here in two rows with her car park assignments and the two units, both B2 and C2.